How to dispute a charge on Santander Bank's credit card statement. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to dispute a charge on Santander Bank's credit card statement. So in order to dispute it, you just have to call your credit card issuer and let them know immediately that you're trying to resolve an issue with the seller. If you can't work it out with the seller, file a report on your dispute purchase within 60 days of the statement date, and you should be able to recover or dispute a charge on your Santander Bank. However, that's not the case. Then you can also go ahead and open up a link, that is www.santanderbank.com/personal/resources. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So while you're on this page, you can just go ahead and read all of these articles on what you should be doing in order to dispute a charge on Santander Bank credit card and statements. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.